Good morning, everyone. Big Rig Roger here. Just starting out my Monday morning. I got a later appointment, but it should be a good day. The Green Bay Packers won last night, so that's always a good thing. I know somebody doesn't want me to go today, but she probably just wants to get in my warm bed and sleep for 18 hours. Wouldn't it be great to sleep for 18 hours? Starting my week, showing you how truckers stay awake. Coffee, number one. This is number one. So, I like to use these kind of syrupy syrup things, and I have a kind of homebrew system for it. So, put in our almond milk or whatever kind of milk that you want, and get your espresso. Has to be the espresso, the fine stuff, unless you have one of those coffee grinder thingies, fancy. Today, cappuccino, double. Yes, please. Let her do her magic. Whoa. You don't need to run out to Starbucks and get some fancy thing when you can make the fancy at home. Oh, perfect. Nectar of the gods. Cheers. Roundabouts. Welcome to Wisconsin. Lots of roundabouts. Always give trucks their space. Always. Just want to let you know that I am not sponsored by the Dollar Tree. It just seems to be a good place to go. Or FedEx. Alkaline water. Big ones. And Monster. He's in there. Rip it. Keep me awake. Should be. Okay. That's the best part. My beautiful view today, Big Rig Roger. But I got all my snacks in here. Got all my drinks at the bottom. All close in hand. You know, when there's that emergency. Gotta stay awake. All loaded. Gonna be heading off to Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Got to deliver my load in the morning, about 7 a.m. They call them hot loads. These are loads that need to get there. So I'm a little bit tired, but you know, started out later in the day. That my appointment was 2 p.m. So I got some energy drink. Rip It Tribute Edition. Support our troops, very important for all they do for us. 200 calories, as if I need the calories. But anyways, here goes nothing. Gotta get this inside me. Cherry lime. Let's do this. Oh, Big Red Roger, I am so tired right now. I'm so tired. I need to get somewhere, pull over, gotta get out, get some fresh air. You know, maybe splash some cold water in my face. Get some more energy drinks or something. I don't want to push it too much because, you know, you drink too much energy drinks and then you can't get to sleep at night. Your mind is racing and overthinking. So you gotta plan this thing out. So we're seeing about working late in the afternoon. I like to work first thing in the morning, get it done, get it over with. Now the sun is in my eyes. It's absolutely beautiful. So tired. The sun is in my face. But yeah, I should be going down in about an hour or so. But next chance I get, I'm going to maybe stop at a rest area and get out. Maybe splash some cold water in my face. Just kind of freshen up, wake up a little bit. It'll save me slapping myself in the face like, wake up, wake up, wake up. I don't want to overdo it with the energy drinks. If I have another one, get to my destination, I might have problems sleeping. I'm so tired right now, but I'm gonna set my alarm and I'm gonna take a power nap for like half an hour, 20 minutes maybe, and that should freshen me up a bit. Well, that was good. Had a sleep. I was so tired. I was just, my eyes were, I just couldn't keep my eyes open, and I was yawning every 5 minutes. So, you know, I had to sleep. I set my alarm clock for 45 minutes. I just got out of bed after sleeping for about an hour, but I feel a lot better. Just get a power nap. As I said, like energy drinks, coffee, all those stuff kind of dehydrates a person, and you know, so I'm ready to hit the road again. I'm about 50 miles from Dubuque, Iowa. You know, I'll be crossing the Mississippi River. You don't want to be tired when you're crossing the Mississippi River, let me tell you. But I'm still in Wisconsin and near Mineral Point or Plattsville. I don't know. I'm so tired. I don't know where the hell I am. The sun has gone down. It's not going to be in my eyes. That also helps to stay awake. When you're tired, you got the sunshine in your eyes, all these distractions. It's a beautiful evening here in western Wisconsin. About 50 miles from the Mississippi River. We're heading west. The Cowboy Country Church up there in the hill. It's so beautiful. Just outside Mineral Point, Wisconsin. Crossing over the Mississippi River from Wisconsin into Dubuque, Iowa. It's even beautiful here at night. It's a big bridge. Gotta keep the speed limit. Big Red Roger here. I finally reached my destination. I'll be getting unloaded first thing in the morning. It's actually next to General Mills, and it smells really good around here. I mean, it smells like Fruity Pebbles. which is like, oh my, it's so sweet. But I am just exhausted and I'll be hitting the bunk pretty soon. I'm gonna turn off the engine tonight. It shouldn't be too cold. But yeah, just take my 10-hour break. I'm gonna have a good sleep, hopefully. But yeah, if you ever get a chance to come down here, it smells good. It smells like sugar in the air. That's like gold to me. Okay, have a good night and take care. Big Rig Roger here. Good morning. This is my view. Waiting outside Shippers, southwestern Cedar Rapids, Iowa. My hours are going to catch up in about 15 minutes, so I can't actually move until my hours catch up. Had a good night's sleep. I was dead tired last night, so it was important to get a good night's sleep. So I'm gonna head in here and see what happens. Hopefully I'll get out here pretty quickly, and but most of the time that never happens. So then I'll hit the road and go on the next adventure. So I just got unloaded. Leaving here, heading to a place called Burlington, Iowa. Never been there before. So fun. Secured my load straps. I hit the road. Make sure this pops. Jiggle a little bit. Farm King. That's in the Mississippi River, Burlington, Iowa. Going into Illinois. folks, Big Rig Roger here. Well, I'll reach my destination. It's a brand new store because I have shop fixtures. And the funny thing is, about an hour later, the truck that was being loaded in Iowa before me and left before me just got here. I was talking to the guy. He was telling me how he stays out in the truck like 3 months at a time. You know, he just keeps going and going and going and going. And he cooks food in the truck and all these kind of things. But he was like, how did you get here so fast? How did you get here so fast? Well, I took the tollway. So as soon as I got out of Burlington, I went over the bridge, over the Mississippi River, got into Illinois, and then took the tollway. Tolls can be quite expensive, but our company pays for them. So, but you know, this guy, he took more of the Iowa route, which is, there's no tolls in the Iowa area, well, as far as I know. So, you know, but I got here before him. We able to back into the door, so I'll be the first one unloaded in the morning, and then I'll be out of here, head back to Green Bay area. I'll be loading out of there. It's about an hour and a half from here. I could have went home last night and stayed at home, but no, I just decided to sleep in the truck. Plus, I get paid to sleep in the truck, which is also a good thing. Get paid while you're sleeping. That's a good thing. Who said that? Warren Buffett. So, I got some breakfast pizza, made it across the street in Quick Trip. So, I'll have breakfast pizza for breakfast in the morning too. It'll be cold, but I like it cold. Just bedding down for the night. Snug as a bug in a rug. Is that what they say? So, had some candy and had a few donuts. So, I'm pretty tired. The sugar is really getting to me. So, gonna get unloaded first thing in the morning, and then head off, east about 2 hours east of here, load up and with some items for John Deere in Waterloo, Iowa, and try and head out there and maybe spend the night out there. Who knows? It's a first come, first serve kind of thing. So I'm gonna get my sleep and just hope for the best. Big Rig Roger here. Just got into Dubuque, Iowa. I've got a fairly heavy load.
At the lights, turn right onto Dodge Street.
It's a fairly heavy load. It's actually counterweights for tractors, for John Deere tractors. And now we're in Iowa, got a lot of hills to go up. It's going to be pretty difficult with this particular load. But we'll get through.
For 81 miles, continue straight on.
Yeah, 81 miles straight on to Waterloo, Iowa. They're working on my dispatch for tomorrow. So when I get to Waterloo, it's going to be like 5:30 in the afternoon, and then I get to spend the night there. I'll deliver my load around 7 a.m. at a John Deere warehouse, and then they should have a load coming back. So it's Wednesday right now, tomorrow's Thursday, and I got Friday and Saturday, Sunday off. So it should be an easy day tomorrow, hopefully. Get home pretty early, I guess, and enjoy my usual 3-day weekend. Looks like some rain. On-call trucking. On-call. I made it to my location. Well, I made it to a pilot truck stop that's about 10 minutes away from where I'll be delivering my load in the morning. They open at 7 a.m. so I'm going to get up at 6 and try and get over there as soon as possible. Hopefully just get in and out. I was there once before, and they're really efficient of unloading quickly. Then from there, my dispatch is going to Des Moines, Iowa, which is 2.5 hours southwest of here. So, and I'm going to a new facility. I've never been there before, but Pepsi Cola. So that should be interesting. I hope maybe they'll have some free samples. God only knows, I've invested enough money in them over the years. Good morning, Big Rig Roger here. I made it to my drop-off location. There's a truck backing next to me. The funny thing is, at the pilot truck stop last night, the truck next to me right now was the truck that was parked next to me at the truck stop. And I was talking to the driver because he was actually kind of guiding me in when I was trying to park next to him last night. You know, he was protecting his truck, I guess. But he left just before me this morning. And lo and behold, I got here before him. I'm backed in, and hopefully they'll unload me pretty quickly. Then I'll head down to Des Moines, Iowa to Pepsi Cola. And from there head up to Wisconsin Rapids. This is my view this morning. Oh, nothing to see here, just hauling some building materials to a work site. Don't need an escort or anything. Roll them off, be all good. Beautiful that is. Fall colors. At its finest. Cranberries, lots and lots of cranberries. Good morning, everyone. Big Rig Roger here. It's that time again. My appointment is for 8 a.m. but I'm gonna head over there because they open at 7 a.m. and I'm going to try and get in early. Hopefully. So, I just gotta wake up and get over there, get unloaded, and then I head home for a long weekend. Can't wait. All intact. Pepsi, Pepsi, Pepsi. Oh. Back there. It's like 37 degrees. Let's do this. Getting unloaded with my Pepsi products at a Pepsi distribution center. Beautiful morning. My appointment was for 8 a.m. but I got here at 7 and they're unloading me right away, so that's a good thing. And then I'll be heading back to Green Bay. It's about 2 hours east of here, and then I'm done for the weekend. But I guess in Chicago this weekend, the Chicago Marathon is going to be on, so that should be fun because I will be going to Chicago. Staying at a friend's place. I couldn't imagine how hard or difficult it would be to get a hotel down in Chicago this weekend. Hey Bridget, you my little princess. You're my little princess. You're my little princess. You're my little princess.